5 Canva hacks you didn't know were possible. If you go into account settings, you can now activate dark mode in Canva, which looks way cooler. If you click on social media and then click create, you can simultaneously create different sized social media posts. When you're editing in Canva, if you just press the slash button, it opens up the shortcut that you can immediately add anything that you want. When you add text to any post and then click on effects, you can now curve your text and it looks awesome. And if you highlight all your text, click on position, then click tidy up, it magically organizes them. Follow for more amazing Canva tips, tricks, and hacks.